What's up, everybody? If you're looking for the Starpets promotion codes and coupon code for the month of December and any other month, you are on the right video. In this video, I will show you how you can get the Starpets promotion codes for any month, even if this video is expired. So in this video, I will show you a complete guide how you can do that. So one of the website is waythrift.com. This is very authenticated and verified website for the coupons and the promotion codes. If you visit this website and search the store name, game name, or any sort of product name, the coupon codes for that particular website will be shown here. So here you guys can see that this is the promotion code that was used last 3 minutes ago by the shoppers. The best top as promotion code is beer. The second best is the Lily. These are the two running promotion codes at the moment. So if you use these codes, they are also working. So none of these codes are expired. So the other website is Coupons You Need. So you can visit these websites to get the latest codes. So how you can do it? So for example, if I'm searching for the Starpets, all I have to do is to search for the Starpets promo code. And by doing that, there will be a lot of websites that will pop up here. So all I have to do is to go to one of the website, which is very authenticated, so you can get the legitimate and working codes. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this really helpful.